The best part of this video is watching a man clean something. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, we're going to talk about how we can clean glass shower doors from that scum, that soap scum, hard water, all that on the glass doors with less harsh chemicals. So we're going to use just a couple things with this. Vinegar, 1 part vinegar, 2 parts warm water. So put it in a little spray bottle. A microfiber cloth. And just a sponge. So also make sure your sponge isn't a really coarse, harsh sponge. You don't want to, use steel wool or something like that to try to get soap scum off. You're gonna scratch your glass. So we don't want to do that. So we're gonna use that. We're gonna do that. Basically, what we're gonna do is we're gonna spray this concoction of 1 part vinegar, 2 parts water onto the doors. We're gonna wait 10 minutes, and then we're gonna use our sponge to clean it and our microfiber towel for finishing it off. First step is to spray your vinegar on your glass doors. While we're waiting the 10 minutes for the vinegar to start doing its thing, one way to try to really minimize the amount of times you have to do this and to try to keep it clean as much as possible, get yourself a cheap squeegee. So squeegee the glass after every shower. If you do that, you'll have to do this less because it'll take the soap scum, it'll take whatever you get on it when you're showering, it'll take it off the doors and you can squeegee it. So that's one way to try to not do this as often as we're doing it right now. Okay, so we waited the 10 minutes for the vinegar to do its thing. It already looks cleaner, which is nice. It doesn't look as foggy or cloudy as it did before. So if you have a really dirty shower, you can add baking soda. Adding baking soda means you got to rinse it more and that sort of thing. Because some of the comments we saw of using baking soda before is it leaves a residue, because baking soda is very, very fine. So you'd have to rinse it really, really well. We keep up on it, so we were able to just use our vinegar mix that we had, so 1 part vinegar, 2 parts water. So we're going to wipe it all down with our sponge. We don't need to really use the harsh part of a sponge. We're just using the sponge to kind of work it in, wipe it down. And then we're going to use a cup and we're going to kind of splash water on it just to rinse it, just to get as much off it as we can, and we'll go from there. So just to get some of the excess vinegar off it, I'm going to use a cup. I'm just going to splash water on it and stay in the shower to do it quick. Step 4, use a microfiber cloth to wipe it all down so you get a nice clean finish to it. Okay guys, so that's it. It's super simple. Takes about 10-15 minutes, just 5 minutes of spraying on and kind of wiping, and 10 minutes of just waiting. So that's it. Again, watch all of our videos. We're trying to clean with less harsh chemicals. This is done with vinegar, and basically it works great. You can see how nice and clear the glass is. And there really is not a lot of scrubbing involved in it, unless yours are super dirty, like you let it get way out of control. Then you'll probably have to maybe do it 2 or 3 times just to get the vinegar on there, let it work, wipe it down, do it again. But that's it. Subscribe to our channel. I put a link in the description below, but it's just vinegar and a sponge, so there's no links. Anyways, at the end of the day, it works great. You can see how we use this all the time, and that's it.